Need a faster, more flexible solution for electrical box installations? Introducing Steel City's adjustable mud rings. Designed for increased flexibility, unmatched versatility, and time-saving efficiency. Available in 1, 2, and 3 gang options, and also a round configuration. With its adjustable depth from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, you can handle nearly any wall thickness, whether it's drywall or a custom surface such as tile or stone. Adjust before or after drywall installation. No need to remove mounting screws. Save time during both prefab and final installation. So say goodbye to installation headaches and hello to increased flexibility. Regardless of the final wall thickness, Steel City's adjustable mud rings adapt effortlessly to fit any situation. No more guessing, no more misalignment, just a perfect fit every time. Unmatched versatility from multiple devices, rough-in changes, different wall finishes, you name it. Steel City has it covered.